On behalf of the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Kolkata, I welcome today's distinguished chief guest, Sri M.K. Narayanan, Honorable Governor of West Bengal, Sri Pankaj Patel, Chairman Board of Governors of IISER Kolkata, members of the Board of Governors, members of the Senate, members of the Finance Committee, members of Building and Works Committee, directors, including Professor Satyamurthy from our sister institute, IISER Mohali, and vice chancellors, invited dignitaries, present graduating class of our 2006, 2007, and 2008 students, and their proud parents and family members, our faculty and non-teaching staff, members of press and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very momentous day in the history of IISER Kolkata. Since on this landmark occasion, first convocation, IISER Kolkata will be awarding degrees to the first 3 batches of 5-year integrated BS, MS, and also PhD students. It is my proud privilege and honor to extend the most cordial and hearty welcome to each one of you. In the next 20 minutes, I'll present to you a brief account of the journey of IISER Kolkata. I'll also report on our achievements and new initiatives which IISER Kolkata has embarked upon. As you will see, IISER Kolkata is growing at a steady rate, and I would like to trace this occasion from the very beginning. The IISERs were created by MHRD Government of India. The first 2 institutes established under this initiative were IISER Kolkata and IISER Pune in 2006, followed by IISER Mohali in 2007, and IISER Bhopal and IISER Thiruvananthapuram in 2008. Each IISER is an autonomous institution and awards its own degrees. The basic mandate of the IISERs is to provide quality science education and carry out research in basic and frontier areas of science, involving both undergraduate and postgraduate students. Through borderless and flexible academic programs, IISERs provide an opportunity for young students to experience the excitement of research in the science disciplines. The foundation stone of the institute was held by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, on 27th July 2006 at the premises of Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. The founder director, Professor Sushanto Dattagupta, took charge on 26th July 2006. The first batch of BSMS dual degree started their classes on 16th August 2006. Since 2006, the institute has grown in size from a handful of faculty members to 77, currently spread over 5 departments: physical sciences, chemical sciences, biological sciences, mathematics and statistics, and earth sciences. We have recruited excellent faculty from within India and abroad. In addition, IISER Kolkata has 7 assistant professors on contract, 2 Ramanujan fellows, 1 DST Inspire fellow, and 3 IISER fellows. We now have a total of 51 non-teaching staff members to support our teaching and research activities and provide administrative support. The classes of IISER Kolkata started in transit campuses located in IIT Kharagpur Extension Center and National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research at Salt Lake, Kolkata. The registered office and guest house building of IISER Kolkata at Salt Lake was commissioned in 2010. We are grateful to the then director of IIT Kharagpur, and NITTTR for their wholehearted support. In 2009, the institute shifted to a transit campus of Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya and West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences at Mohanpur district, Nadia. Let me take this opportunity to put in record our gratitude to these institutions for their continuous support over the past few years. We are grateful to the government of West Bengal for allotting 201.65 acres of land at Moja Haringhatta Farm district, Nadia, for construction of the permanent campus. The possession of the land was obtained on 12th May 2007, and the institute entered into an agreement with Messrs. Suresh Goel and Associates of New Delhi for providing architectural and engineering design and project management consultancy services. The institute entered to an agreement with CPWD to undertake the construction work of the permanent campus on 22nd August 2008. Priority to construction of a hostel and dining block, lecture theater, and laboratory complex was set, and SGA was requested to make an integrated master plan for the whole campus. The Bhumi Puja of construction of hostel building was performed on 16th October 2009. Transitional development was done with the help of KMDA and the ISAR Kolkata Engineering Department. Development of prefabricated steel structures took place in the year 2011. Due to many reasons, the construction work came to a standstill in mid-2011. A notable feature of 2012-13 has been the spurt in the new campus building activity. I am happy to put on record that the construction activities at Haringhatta are in full swing. The construction of 2 4-story hostel blocks of each 400 capacity, the dining block and electrical substation restarted in mid-2012 are nearing completion. And those which have started during this year are progressing well. We are very happy that the students will be shifted from the transit campus to the new hostel blocks in July-August 2013. We expect the year 2013-14 to be even more exciting and eventful for the growing ISAR Kolkata. Our plans for the next year include completion of lecture theater, research complex, and administrative block. I'm delighted to announce that the first student hostel and dining block in our permanent campus has been inaugurated this morning by the Honorable Governor of West Bengal. ISAR Kolkata offers 5-year BSMS program. It also offers an integrated PhD program, a 2-year MS by research program for BE BTech students, as well as a vibrant PhD program. Notably, all pre-doctoral students receive stipends to meet their academic expenses. ISAR Kolkata is doing well, and we are growing every year as expected. Now we have a total of 640 students, BSMS 406, integrated PhD 57, and PhD 177. Our plan is to increase this number to 2,000 in the next 5 years. I'm happy to share the good news that so far a total of 16 students have completed their PhD degrees working at ISAR Kolkata. The first batch of students, 38 of them, of our BSMS program have graduated in 2011. It is a matter of great satisfaction that about 80% of them has booked their places in some of world's best research institutes, including top-notch North American and European universities, in addition to joining premier research institutes in India. 63 students of the second batch have graduated in 2012 and followed a similar trend. From the third batch, 45 students are graduating today and also are following a similar trend. We hope this trend continues and some of our former students return back to India and to take up academic positions and serve the nation. Most of our integrated BSMS students have chosen to stay in science and pursue PhD research. We are proud to note that many amongst them have won prestigious international and national scholarships, including the Rhodes and Clarendon scholarships, the Commonwealth Scholarship. One of our PhD students, after outstanding performance during his PhD, has been absorbed as a faculty at IIT Gandhinagar, and another has been awarded a Commonwealth Fellowship for carrying out research in Canada. We are proud to note that ICER Kolkata is making a mark in the global scientific scenario. ICER Kolkata did not wait for the permanent campus to come up and focused on establishing state-of-the-art facilities for imparting necessary experimental and analytical skills. We have built an e-classroom to share knowledge with other ICERs as well as other institutes. Research is another hallmark of ICER Kolkata, recognizing the fact that young faculty joining ICER Kolkata should embark on their research programs. We have quickly ramped up research infrastructure. Some of our faculty members have already received laurels and peer recognitions. Among the younger colleagues, we have 4 INSA Young Scientists, 2 Young Associates of Indian Academy of Sciences, 1 Nasi Young Scientist, 1 Scopus Young Scientist awardee, and a Harvey Prize winner of the American Astronomical Society. We have 6 Ramanujan and 4 Ramalingasamy Fellows. Some of our colleagues are recipients of Wellcome Trust DBT Award grants and Max Planck Partnership Group grant. One of our young faculty members has been invited to act as editorial board member of Organometallics, a chemistry research journal of international repute. Another one has been appointed as Vice Chairman of Space Weather Panel of Committee on Space Research, a wing of the International Council of Scientific Unions, and leads a working group of the International Astronomical Union. I sincerely hope that every single one of our faculty members will rise in scientific prominence in the years to come, making our institute and the nation proud. Both faculty and students regularly present their research works at international fora, and the institute financially supports undergraduate and postgraduate students to present their work at international conferences. I am very happy to report that a short documentary on ICER Kolkata was broadcasted on Delhi National Channel, Delhi Doordarshan 1 on 13th October